Well, hello my loves. I'm popping in really quick for just a couple of things. The first thing is that I wanted to just get on here quick and say thank you and let you know how incredibly grateful I am for all that you do for me, for your comments, for your likes, for the aha moments that you have when you see a video or you take a workshop, the art that you share, your stories that you send me via email, and how we have connected, and how I can pray or we can encourage each other, and we need that so much right now. And I'm just so grateful for all that you do, for your orders and for supporting our small business. You have supported for families, which is a big deal, especially for 2020. We have been able to stay afloat and keep going, and I can still write the paychecks, and I'm just incredibly grateful from the bottom of my heart for all of your supports. And so I want to say thank you as we enter into Thanksgiving. And I know this is our U.S. holiday, and not everybody is celebrating Thanksgiving. But I'm reminded to be especially grateful in such a crazy year. And sometimes I don't say it enough to my family, to everyone. And I think it's so important now to remind ourselves and each other how grateful we are for one another, and how kindness and that gratitude can make a huge difference in someone's life, in someone's day, in someone's year. And so I wanted to pop in and just tell you how grateful I am for you and all your love and all your words and all your support. Thank you so much. Now, two, I want to tell you about the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. It's kind of all lumped together. And I typically will wait, but hashtag 2020 happened, and it's just been a crazy year. And so I'm doing the sale earlier and longer. And part of that is because we have a ton of inventory. We didn't get to do shows this year. So we have a lot of stuff in inventory, and we've marked it down, and then we're going to throw on a coupon code on top of that. So it's 20% off most everything in the shop, and I'm going to show you real quick what's on sale. All of our printed tees and aprons and tote bags and all those kinds of things are not on sale because there's just not enough room in there, but everything else is, and that includes clearance and the overstock that I'm talking about, where we typically would sell at shows. And so I'm going to talk about all of that. But it's 20% off of everything for a week, about a week. And the coupon code is Find the Joy, because we need to find the joy right now. And I'll have all of that down below this video, so on all the details. But I want to show you real quick, because sometimes I don't think you realize how many different things we have in the shop. So of course stencils are going to be on sale, 20% off, which I don't normally do this kind of discount, but because we have so much inventory, we gotta get some of this stuff out of here and into your hands. So stencils are on sale, 20% off. Okay, stencils. Collage packs. Collage packs are printed or downloadable, so you have the option. 20% off. And then originals, all originals are 20% off, and that includes like big originals. That includes like regular originals, 8x10, 11, all the different sizes. That also includes some specialty originals that I've done on paper. It comes with a backer board and packaged really neatly and nice. So originals, then prints. So all the prints on wood, and that includes clearance. So clearance is like scratch and dent. So they went to a show, or they were dropped, or they were printed wrong. They were like, we printed the wrong order, or maybe the color's not quite right, but there's some imperfection. That's clearance. Overstock is perfectly good prints. So regular prints and then our overstock prints are all on sale. And so let me just show you real quick. So 4x4s, 4x6s, and this size here is perfect for all the teachers that are doing amazing jobs right now, whether online or in person, healthcare workers, co-workers that we aren't able to see, like if you're working from home or whatever, we can ship directly to people. So the 4x4s and 4x6s are great, great gifts, and the overstock ones are marked down, and then you get another 20% off on that. So, and the clearance ones, it's almost like we're kind of giving them away because we just got to get them out of the shop. So 4x4s, 4x6s, 5x7s, 6x6s, and they come, these are not the right backing because these are overstock, these are older. But they come with a sticker on the back. Let me see if I have one that has the right sticker. There we go. Sticker on the back that says it's authentic, original print of the original, and then it's got a hanger on the back. So all the prints on wood have that. So 5x7, 6x6, and then 8x10s. Let's see. Oh, I showed you the 8x8, and then even the bigger ones, 11x14. Do I have one of those out here? I don't think I do, but you get the idea. And then we also print. So we will print out your print, and you can frame it, and it's on matte paper, bright white matte paper, and all the different sizes, and then you can print it. It comes with a backer board and the sticker as well. So prints on wood and prints to be framed. The clearance and overstock. And then we also have, we print in-house our own note cards. So we've got Christmas and regular cards, and then they've also got my signature authenticity on the back. Wood panels. So we also have wood panels in the shop. They come like this, and they're routed on the back for hanging, all the different sizes. And then workshops are on sale. All the workshops that are currently in the shop will be on sale as well. Everything is 20% off. So I just wanted to let you know that real quick, so that maybe you can get some unique, one-of-a-kind gifts that would possibly bless someone, or create some joy for someone or for yourself. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that, and I hope you are able to get some really good goodies in the shop. And again, thank you again so much for all your love and support. And my greatest hope is that you are managing this crazy time, and that you're staying well, and that you are going to be able to, if not celebrate in person with your persons for Thanksgiving, that you'll be able to see them, via Skype or something like that, and that we can be together in some way and encourage each other. That is the most important thing. All right, my loves, have a wonderful, wonderful holiday and week, and thank you again so much for all your love.